My name is Rushabh, guys. I'm from Mumbai. I'm going to be the instructor for your course. Hi, Ajay. You're also from Bangalore. Okay. Hi, Makran. Who else is here?
Hello.
Hi. Who?
Hi.
Hi.
This is Nayantara. My name is Nayantara.
Gundara. Hi. Sure.
Hi. I'm from Dubai.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah. I'm working here for FedEx.
FedEx. Nice. What is your profile there?
Yeah. Actually, I'm working in the administration, operational administration now.
Okay.
So this is actually data analysis is something that I do actually on a regular basis. So
Interesting.
I thought, okay, I'll take it further. Yeah.
Great. Great.
Okay. Yes.
Super.
Yeah.
Anyone else would like to introduce yourself? Let's all know each other before we start. We're anyways waiting for a couple of more people to join in. All right. Anybody knows what is the full form of VLOOKUP? Perfect. It is called vertical. Otherwise, there is something called as HLOOKUP also, that is for horizontal. Pardon my spelling. Oh, anybody here who knows VLOOKUP but does not know HLOOKUP? Anybody from you who knows VLOOKUP but does not know HLOOKUP? Anybody knows VLOOKUP? Have you ever used VLOOKUP? Any one of you? Okay, that's good. Anybody else? Sometimes. So Aditya, do you know VLOOKUP, but do you also know HLOOKUP, or you don't know HLOOKUP? Shashi? Guys, you all can keep your mic on. It's absolutely fine. Okay. Aditya is saying he knows VLOOKUP but doesn't know HLOOKUP. Rajiv is saying he knows VLOOKUP. Rajiv, do you know what is HLOOKUP? Okay. Guys, please understand. Lot of people come and tell me, hey, I know VLOOKUP, but can you teach me HLOOKUP? And it's so weird for me to believe that you can know VLOOKUP but not know HLOOKUP, because it's the same damn thing. Okay, it's the same thing. Why do we say VLOOKUP? Because when our data is like this, we use VLOOKUP. When our headers are and our data in the columns. When we use HLOOKUP, our headers are like this and our data is like this. That's when we use HLOOKUP. Same logic. So never think that you know VLOOKUP but you do not know HLOOKUP. Doesn't make any sense. All right. Okay. Starting VLOOKUP. There are 4 parts to VLOOKUP. All right. Now if I simply type VLOOKUP here, okay, VLOOKUP, I can see the 4 parts. The first thing says lookup value. Guys, please make notes of this. First thing says lookup value. Second says table array. So that is your table array. Yeah, don't worry, Vikas. I'll come to all of it. Don't worry at all. You will know what VLOOKUP exactly is. Let me first give you the basics, then I'll show you the application. Don't worry about it at all. All right. Third thing is column index number. And fourth is your range lookup. All right. Just write it. This has to be 0 or 1. So first thing is lookup value. Second is table array. Third is column index number. And fourth is range lookup. It can either be 0 or it can either be 1. All right. Okay. Let's start. So the first use of VLOOKUP is fetching data. Okay. The first application of VLOOKUP is fetching data. Okay. See, while we are learning VLOOKUP, you will also understand the use of $sign. Okay. Don't worry about that also. You will start learning where $sign is required to be used. So when I say fetching data, here you see an order number. What you want is, as soon as you put an order number, let's say 1, you want the order date, the color, the price, and the quantity to appear. These are the 4 things that you want it to appear automatically. Now whether it is 4 or 40 doesn't make any difference. All right, the use of the application is going to be the same. So don't do anything right now, guys. Leave everything and just pay full attention here. Once you understood what I'm trying to show you, then I'll give you enough time to try it. Okay, is that okay, everyone? Are you all with me till here? All right, all right. So equal to VL tab. I don't need to type the entire VLOOKUP. I'll say equal to VL tab. Now, what are we looking based on which order ID, which order number? We're looking based on which order number? Order number? Yes, we are looking for the order date, but we are looking for the order date based on which order number? Order number 1. So we are going to take this 1. Okay. Now, your question in your mind would be, why this one and why not this one? Even this is order number 1. The reason is we are trying to fetch data, right, from a data set. Now, if I already know that this order number 1 is here, I'll simply copy paste its values. Why do I need to use VLOOKUP? The point is, we don't know in these 10,500 records, where is that order number 1? So instead of order number 1, I'm going to put, let's say, order number 1684. Now it's going to be difficult for you to find it in that data. And don't even look at it as 10,000 records. Look at it as 5 lakh records. Are you going to sit and find your record? No, you will use VLOOKUP. So I'll say VLOOKUP, find this guy, comma. Find him where? Find him in the order number column. But from that column, you also select all the other columns. Okay. Guys, do not do it right now. Okay. Do not rush into it. Please understand it logically and then you do it. So we are saying find the value of N3 in column A, starting from A1, but also extend your table array till the end of your data. Okay, sorry, I by mistake clicked somewhere else. So I'm going to extend the table array from here till the end. All right, comma. Now in your table array, how many columns are there currently? A, B, C, D up to J, which are 10 columns, right? So there are 10 columns in my table array. Out of those 10 columns, I'm looking for the order date. So out of those 10 columns, my order date in which column? Second column, not B, okay, not B. Out of those 10, which column? Second column. That's why I will write 2 here. Comma. The fourth part is saying range lookup either 0 or 1. So I'll take 0. What is 0 and what is 1? We'll see after about 20 minutes. By default, you remember that you must put 0. When I do this, I get the order date as a number, which is very weird. Why? Because this is general format. I just have to change this to short date. And my number is there. Sorry, my date is there. So 1684 order number, the order date was 8th March. Let's check it. When I go down and I go to 1684, when I go to 1684, please check here. The order date is 8th March. Okay, I did not have to do this manually. By putting one formula, I was able to get the date. The beauty is not only this. Now, if I change this to any other order number, my date will appear. That's the beauty. Okay, please try this much and tell me if you have any doubt. I'm going to keep this formula open. You try this much and you let me know what doubt you have.